Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest videos. So, first of all, you have to open the link which is going to be in the description. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard like this. HarryTheHippo.io. Website name is Harry Hippos. We can see various options in the header section stating how to buy tokenomics roadmap, frequently asked questions, white paper audit, and here is their Twitter and Telegram. Click the links to join their official channels to get the latest updates about Harry Hippo. Click here to buy the token. I'll tell you everything step by step. Here we can see buy now before price rise. The price will rise after 11 days, 16 hours, 49 minutes, and 35 seconds. USDT raised 1.9 million. I think it's around 1.9 million, and the remaining are, I think, 2.1 million. Our purchase is currently zero. Our stakeable is currently zero. If you want to purchase this, simply connect your wallet and then enter your Ethereum amount you want to exchange, and you will receive, like, if you want to exchange one Ethereum, you will receive 4.438k Hippo. I think it's 438k. 601% staking rewards. How to buy already told you. Connect a wallet, buy hippos, take tokens, claim tokens. Here's a Ticopedia. Featured in News BTC, Cointelegraph, Bitcoinist, Crypto News, BitIn, Crypto. These are the official partners. Here we have the features of Harry the Hippo. The rise of Harry Hippo. Harry Hippo is a crypto project inspired by the legendary Hassendia Nipolis hippos, led by Harry Hippo, an AI-powered force of strength and intellect. Harry Hippo combines Hippo meme coins with P2E gaming. I already told you. Here's the roadmap. In quarter 4 of 2024, they will establish the Harry Hippo brand, launch the Harry Hippo website, and conduct the Hippo token pre-sale to build a solid foundation. And we are in, I think, quarter 2, quarter 1, 2025 has already passed. In quarter 2, the full release of Harry Hungry Hippo will introduce staking in-game Hippo utility. In quarter 3 of 2025, AI-driven P2E insights, NFT integration, and additional top-tier CEX listings will drive the ecosystem's evolution. In quarter 4, Harry Hippo will scale into GameFi and then Metaverse, establishing Hippo as a top-tier meme coin with last impact. OMG. Here is the tokenomics of Harry the Hippo: 20% pre-sale, 10% staking, 35% marketing, and 20% liquidity, and 15% project fund. Here is the about of Harry the Hippo. Harry the Hippo is powered by Hippo, a versatile token enabling staking, trading, and rewards in a secure, dynamic, and ecosystem. In a secure and dynamic ecosystem, the Harry Hungry Hippo games bring exciting P2E competition where players battle to prove their dominance and earn Hippo tokens. With AI, NFTs, and GameFi, Harry Hippo gives users a gaming and trading edge. If you have any question, just click the question and you will get your answer right here. Hope you understand the video. I already told you about tokenomics roadmap, frequent to ask question, and I already told you how to buy the token. Hope so you'll understand the video. If you understand the video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Begin with me. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.